Hi guys, now this is the last lecture, lecture number 34 from fifth topic chromatography and subtopic comparison between paper and TLC and application of chromatography. Now let's see comparison between paper and thin layer chromatography. Now left side there is a thin layer chromatography, on the right there is a paper chromatography. Now first point, in thin layer chromatography, the requirement of sample amount is less than paper chromatography, where in case of paper one, the requirement of substance amount is little bit more compared with the thin layer chromatography. It is a less time consuming, required very less time, whereas paper chromatography, this can be carried out within 10 to 15 minutes. But paper chromatography, it requires 15 to 45 minutes for development. The sharpness of separation is very great in case of thin layer chromatography. Separation is not too much sharp like that of TLC. Now, even strong acid can be safely sprayed on chromatographic plate if they are to be identified in case of thin layer chromatography. But in case of paper chromatography, spraying of acid on paper is not possible as acid get react with paper and paper get brittle. So it is not possible in case of paper chromatography. For many purpose, thin layer chromatography plates may be heated in an oven for several hours without causing any damage to it. So if there is a demand of heating the sample, then TLC can be used where it cannot giving any damage to the test solution, test spot, also not to the slurry. This cannot be take place in case of paper chromatography, heating not possible in case of paper chromatography. The capacity of thin layer of adsorbent in TLC is higher than that of a paper chromatography. If we try to make to plate, try to uh, make that slurry on filter paper, it is not possible because the strength of filter paper is compared with the TLC plate is lower one. So it is not possible in case of a paper chromatography. The capacity of thin layer on an adsorbent on paper is less than that of a TLC because strength of filter paper is not so much strong compared with the thin layer chromatography. Because thin layers having physical strength, ascending technique are preferred for this type of chromatography. Because of lack of physical strength in paper chromatography, descending technique are usually used in case of a paper chromatography as it takes faster rate. In thin layer chromatography, chromatoplates are prepared by coating thin layer of this substance on the glass plate. So TLC plate, how it is prepared? It is prepared by making the slurry of oxides of silica, aluminum, magnesium, and that slurry is plated on the alumina plate or glass plate by either by manually म्हणजे dip करून बाहेर काढणं किंवा by spraying it मशीनने spray करून. In paper chromatography, cellulose paper is generally used. A silica gel or alumina gel cannot be used because they cannot made into the suitable sheet. कारण पेपरची स्ट्रेंथ स्ट्रॉंग नसते त्यामुळे हे सिलिका जेल और अल्युमिना जेल त्यावरती आपण स्प्रेड करू शकत नाही किंवा प्लेस करू शकत नाही. In TLC, even corrosive reagents may be coated on glass plate. Corrosive reagent will not, however, plated on paper because it destroy the paper. Corrosive material ज्यांना गंज लागू शकतो वगैरे ते आपण याच्यावरती सेपरेट आउट करू शकतो, प्लेट करू शकतो. Sensitivity of detection of the fraction on the plate in TLC is very great. म्हणजे कमीत कमी फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये सुद्धा TLC मध्ये आपण काय करू शकतो, सेन्सिटिव्हिटी म्हणजे डिटेक्शन करू शकतो. दिस इज ड्यू टू द लेस डिफ्युजन ऑफ द स्पॉट. डिफ्युजन म्हणजे स्पॉट स्प्रेड नाही होत, व्यवस्थित शार्प स्पॉट आपल्याला मिळतो. Sensitivity of detection of the fraction on the paper is less due to the possibility of diffusion of papers. तर स्पॉट पेपरवरती स्पॉट डिफ्युजन होण्याचे चान्सेस जास्त असतात जे की TLC मध्ये कमी असतात. सो दीज आर द 10 पॉइंट्स विच गिव्स द कंपॅरिझन बिटवीन पेपर अँड थिन लेयर chromatography. Now let's see application of chromatography. All chromatography. Mostly TLC is mostly used. It is having more application compared with the paper and all other one. Purity of any sample. Purity of sample can be carried out with TLC and paper chromatography. Direct comparison is done between the sample and started or authentic sample. Comparison also can be done. If any impurity is detected, then it show extra spot and this can be detected easily. प्युअर सॅम्पलला कंपेअर करायचं, जर का त्यात इम्प्युरिटी असेल तर त्याचाही स्पॉट आपल्याला दिसतो आणि त्याच्यावरून आपण सांगू शकतो की हे सॅम्पल इम्प्युअर आहे का प्युअर आहे. Identification of a compounds. Chromatography can be employed in purification, isolation, and identification of the natural product, which are like volatile oil or essential oil, flakes oil, waxes, alkaloids, glycoids, steroids, etc. For this purpose, you can use chromatography. Examination of reaction. Reaction mixture can be examined by thin layer chromatography to assess whether the reaction is complete or not. This method is also used for checking the other separational process and purification process like distillation, molecular distillation, etc. म्हणजे chromatography also used for the detection of way of reaction carried out. कुठपर्यंत आली आहे, सेपरेशन झालं की नाही, रिॲक्शन कंप्लीट झाली की नाही हे चेक करण्यासाठी आपण वापरू शकतो. It also used in biological biochemical analysis. Chromatography is extremely useful in isolation or separation of biochemical metabolites or constituent from its body fluid, plasma, serum, urine, etc. So mostly used in pharma. Chromatography is having lots of application in pharmaceutical industry. In chemistry, TLC is methodology is increasingly used in chemistry for separation and identification of compound which are closely related to each other. For example, lanthanides जे की सेपरेट होत नाही केमिकली, त्यांना सेपरेट आउट करण्यासाठी, त्यांना आयडेंटिफाय करण्यासाठी आपण थिन लेअर क्रोमॅटोग्राफी वापरू शकतो, कारण ते जवळजवळ सारखी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज दाखवतात. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर द आयडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ केटायन्स अँड अनायन्स इन ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री. In pharmaceutical industry, various pharmacopoeias have adopted this TLC technique for the detection of impurity in pharmaceutical reaction. Various medicines like hypnotics, sedatives, anticonvulsant, these are local anesthesia, steroid have been used, have been tested by using thin layer chromatography. We had already told that it is most having more application in case of pharmaceutical industry. And one of the most important application of thin layer chromatography is in the separation of multi-component pharmaceutical formulation. It is also helpful in food and cosmetic industry. TLC method is used for the separation and identification of colors, preservatives, sweetening agents, and various cosmetic products. So overall, chromatography is having a range, wide application in all field, and hence nowadays it is a famous one. Chromatographic technique is famous one. It is a modern separation technique required less time, and it is analytical technique. So mostly it is used in all over uh, world, in all segment. So guys, for more information you have to visit again the videos which are available on the internet, browse, and you get more information about this one. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Now here we finish our syllabus which is given in 6th semester in organic chemistry. If you are having any doubt, do not hesitate to call me. So thank you guys, thank you so much.